I'm sure that's just a woodpecker, but there was also something walking over here. Like I just got in here. And there's something walking over here. I don't see anything. Huh. There's an obvious trail going through here. For sure. Tree bend. Oh wow. This kind of opens up back in here. Huh. There's the creek down there. That was weird too, because it almost sounded like a biped or something walking with two legs. I know deer can match up. You know, their legs with make it sound like two, but they usually walk pretty quietly, where this was walking pretty loud. I was trying to see if I could catch what was making that woodpecker would be right over here somewhere, if that's what that was. I know I caught that on the beginning of this video. You guys should be able to hear that clearly, but I'm almost positive it's a woodpecker. What kind of shit? Go through these trees. Whoa, too far. Let's see if I can see anything. It's almost dark, so this is probably going to be a really short video. I just had to get out of the house for a little bit. I've been doing a bunch of woodworking today. Finishing up some projects that started and never did get finished. One of them is my niece had a procedure done on her heart here recently, and she's okay. I just wanted to make something for her, because just let her know we're thinking about her. She's okay. She just had something done where I don't know the specifics of it, but I think she had an extra valve or an extra artery or something on her heart that they had to close off, and it was making her heart flutter or something like that, but supposedly they fixed it. So where I'm at right now, you can see there's a road right here. I came in on the back side of it, but this road's been closed off. And I'll show you when I leave. I'll just walk up this road. Well, you can kind of see it right there. There's a they've bulldozed a big tree and just bulldozed it. Sorry, this thing goes too fast. That's a big tree. I'll walk up there once I get down. I'm gonna go down here to the end real quick and see if there's any. I just like walking this road to see if I can find any tracks. But they bulldozed that tree and just left it there and blocked this. This is a little turnaround down in here. It's real sandy. I don't know why they did it. They just blocked this little, I guess they don't want people coming down here anymore. I don't know what the deal is. Really fresh deer track there. That's really fresh. Heading off in that. Whoop. Thing has a mind of its own sometimes. Yeah, it's getting dark really quick, so what was that? Thought I saw a black shape back there. What I was gonna do today, which I'll probably do tomorrow, I was gonna go back to where the red Bigfoot video was filmed. What's that down in there? Right there. That's just a tree stump? Middle of my screen. I think it is. Anyway. I was gonna go back down there to where that was filmed, and I need to do it when there's still a little bit of sun behind me, because I want to try to get the same. That's weird. I just walked right by this. Huh. I want to get the same lighting as I had whenever I filmed that, to see if there's even really something there. Wow, that water's really clear. Usually isn't that clear. Clear. That's an old dishwasher, it looks like. Somebody decided to dump in here. I hate it when people do stuff like that. That's actually been out here quite a while. I almost drug it out of there one time, just because I can't stand people who litter. Maybe that's what, I mean, you can see there's different, there's trash out here. Maybe they're trying to stop people from coming out here and dumping. I mean, it drives me nuts. See, here's another, I don't know. But I've done some, right back in through here, I've done some live videos facing across that, oh, almost busted it there. See right here, I've done some live videos. And I thought about doing one tonight, just leaving my camera here for a little bit, but this phone's, it's not that old, and it's already taken a beating. The front's cracked, the backs of it's all shattered. I'm usually pretty good with phones. I usually don't have any issues with them, but the moment I take the case off of these phones, I end up dropping them and busting something. So the screen isn't cracked. It's just on the corners, but the back of it's kind of shattered, and I don't really feel comfortable. The luck I've had, I don't really feel like leaving it out here somewhere and having something else happen to it. It's all I got right now. So anyway, well, I'll walk back up here and show you guys this tree. I don't know why they did it. I'll just leave this recording in case something decides to jump out at me. But yeah, I was going to come out and film that same spot where the red Bigfoot was, but it's already getting, I ran behind at the house and didn't get out here in time. So I'll come back out here sometime tomorrow afternoon and film that and see if it's just, I don't think I'd have enough time to hike back in there now, and even the lighting wouldn't even be the same. Anyway, so I'll try to do that tomorrow. Nobody's really asked me to do that, but that's just something I like to do, to see if I mean, a lot of people are saying, I've only had two people out of all the comments that's been left on there. I've only had 2 negative comments, maybe 3. saying that, you know, there's always going to be those 2 or 3 who don't think you filmed anything, or, and I'm not saying I did film anything, but to me it looked like something was moving back in there. So anyway, man, it's getting cold quick. Something was doing some digging here. And I've had some people asking, what did I film that with? Well, I'm filming with the same device. It's just my LG V40, sorry. And I'm using a stabilizer. That's why you get a lot better picture. But look at this. Why would they do this? Just block this off so nobody can get down in here anymore. I don't get it. I don't know. Anyway, I am going to shut this off, and I'll try to get back out there tomorrow and film that, see if it looks any different. Anyway, we'll see you guys. Hopefully we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, guys. God bless.